Good morning students. Let's continue with problems on standard deviation and coefficient of variation. So today we are going to solve the problems on discrete series. The following table gives the age distribution of boys and girls in a school. Find which group is more variable in age. So age and number of boys and girls are given. You need to find the who is more variable in age. For that we need to calculate the coefficient of variation. Let's solve the problem. The formula to calculate arithmetic mean under step deviation method for the discrete series: x bar is equals to a plus sigma fd divided by n. Standard deviation is equal to square root of sigma fd square divided by n minus sigma fd divided by n whole square. Then coefficient of variation is equals to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Let's observe the table format used to find the mean, standard deviation and coefficient of variation of boys and girls. So here the first column represents scores, second column D, that is a deviation. Deviation is the difference between scores and arithmetic mean. So in this case, I am using the standard step deviation method, therefore D is equals to x minus a means assumed mean. Next column is D square, because D and D square is the common values for both boys and girls. Therefore I consider D and D square in the second and third column. Then F, frequency of boys, then Fd, that is a product of F into D. Next Fd square, that is a product of F into D square. Similarly for the girls. Now the scores, that is x value 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. The frequency of boys 12, 15, 15, 5, 3, that is n is equals to 50. Similarly for the girls n is equals to 50. Now find the first D value. D value is equals to x minus assumed mean. So let's consider one of the x values as a assumed mean. So let's a is equals to assumed mean is equals to 13. Now 13 minus 13 is equals to 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Next find D square value. 0, 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16. Now find the Fd for boys, that is frequency into deviation. 12 into 0, 0, 15 into 1, 15, 15 2s are 30, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. Now find sigma Fd value. 30 plus 15 45, 45 plus 15 60, that is it gives 72. Now find Fd square. Here Fd square means frequency into D square. Again 12 into 0 0, 15 into 1 15, 15 4s are 60, next 9 5s are 45, 16 3s are 48. Now add sigma Fd square. 60 plus 15 75, 75 plus 5 80, 120, that gives 168. Now similarly find the values of Fd and Fd square for girls. Now the sigma Fd value of girls is 66. Now sigma Fd square value of girls is 170. Now let's find arithmetic mean of boys and girls. Now x bar of boys is equals to, formula is a plus sigma Fd divided by n. So a means assumed mean. So 13 plus sigma Fd value 72 divided by n is equals to 50. 13 plus, first divide 72 divided by 50. 72 divided by 50, that is 1.44. Now the mean value of boys is 14.44. Similarly, find the arithmetic mean of girls. So again, assumed mean is 30 plus sigma FD is 66 divided by 50. 13 plus 66 divided by 50, it gives 1.32, that is 14.32. Now arithmetic mean of boys is 14.44, girls is 14.32. Now find standard deviation for both boys and girls. Standard deviation of boys is equals to square root of sigma FT square, that is 168 divided by 50 minus 72 divided by 50 whole square equal to square root of 168 divided by 50, 3.36 minus 72 divided by 50, it gives 1.44 whole square. Now square root of 3.36 minus the square of 1.44 gives 2.07. Now square root of 3.36 minus 2.07, 1.29. Now the standard deviation of boys is equals to 1.136. Now similarly find the standard deviation for girls. So sigma FD square 170 divided by 50 minus 66 divided by 50 whole square. So 170 divided by 50, 3.4 minus 66 divided by 50, it gives 1.32 whole square. Now 3.4 minus 1.32 square means 1.74. Now 3.4 minus 1.74, this 1.66. The standard deviation of girls is square root of 1.66, that is 1.288. Now calculate coefficient of variation for both boys and girls. Coefficient of variation is equals to standard deviation, that is 1.136 divided by mean value 14.44 into 100. So let's multiply 1, that is 1.136 into 100 gives 113.6 divided by 14.44. So 113.6 divided by 14.44, that is 7.86% CV of boys. Now CV of girls is equals to 1.288 divided by 14.32 into 100. Gives 128.8 divided by 14.32. So 128.8 divided by 14.32 gives coefficient of variation of girls gives 8.99%. So now we calculated all required values. In problem they ask to find which group age is more variable while comparing the CV value of both boys and girls. The CV value of girls is more, therefore girls age are more variable. Girls age are more variable because the CV value of girls is more than the CV value of boys. Thank you.